nonsense. Imagine working every single day, waking up before sunrise, coming home after sunset, getting paid, only to discover your money disappears before the month even begins. David and Michael started life together. Same university, same grades, same company, same salary. Everyone believed they would become successful together, but life had a different script. David spends immediately. Michael smiles, then quietly walks into his room. He opens a notebook. He writes, That's exactly how many people manage money. Money behaves exactly like a seed. Eat every seed, because earning money is not the same as growing money. Money behaves exactly like a seed. Eat every seed, and you'll stay hungry forever. Plant one seed, and it feeds generations.
10,000 naira. Investment, 11,000 naira. Reinvest, 12,100 naira. Reinvest, 13,310 naira. Continue multiplying.
This is called compound growth. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether or not he actually said it, the principle is real. Money that earns returns, and those returns earn more returns, can grow much faster over time than money left idle.